Hi guys, it's Vaughn here with the Nurse Talk, and today I have a really great video for you guys. If you've ever wondered what a hospital room looks like, I did a quick tour, so check it out. So first I'm going to start by the door. If you notice, the door is very wide, so you can fit in pretty much any size bed. Then you have your linen, that's a bag for all the soiled linens. You have your hand sanitizer, a thermometer for temperature in the room. Any needles or any sharp objects will go in there. We have our gloves. We also have for the code. So if you need to call a code, you would press that button. There's the TV for the patient that's right above their bed that's easily adjustable. That is for oxygen. If you need special oxygen, you would attach it there. There's, of course, different outlets there. The bed itself, of course, is going to be designed where you can go up, put the patient up, or all the way down, adjust their head. They also have the breaks on the bottom of the bed so you can actually transport to another room. In every room where I work, there's an actual sink. There's a closet for the patient to put their clothes in. There's a chair that you can pull out if you want to sleep there. There's a nightstand. And then, of course, you have the bed and the table. So that was a quick tour, you guys, of what a typical hospital room looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Vaughn with the Nurse Talk. Until next time, you guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.